Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. And this is a special cooking video. A little figure I'd put a little extra one for the times for everything that's going on. And this is another idea from the pantry, a little snack idea. This is something I do every once in a while, and I'm going to call this blueberry cream cheese sticks. So, and what you're going to need for this, of course, I got the blueberry cream cheese, and you can also get this in get the cream cheese and other flavors such as strawberry. You can get it in pineapple, and maybe you have a nice honey type flavor. And if you don't want the fruit and stuff, you can do jalapeno and salmon, I recommend. Or you can just do plain cream cheese. There's a good vegetable mix too. So, and the other thing you'll need is a bag of tortillas. This is the fajita size. This is what I normally get for my everyday thing, and I do this occasionally myself. So, let me show you how to do all this, and you guys will have a little snack for you as well. It'll be great for the kids. So let me go show you how to do this here. Okay, guys, what you want to do is you take at least two tortillas. This is something that you make while you're on the fly, or you can make several up if you got friends and family with you. And you just open up your cream cheese. This is just a new box. If I can get the tab open here, and there we go, blue cheese. I always use a spoon to spread the cream cheese here. Let's take about look like about a tablespoon or so, and you just spread it out on the tortilla. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do this one here. Spoon works really good on this. Just get it all spread out evenly on the there, and almost to the edges. Alright, now that you got that spread, you know what you do. You just roll these on up like so. Alright. This is some good stuff here. Of course, it's Philadelphia brand, so you know it's going to be good. Alright, they kind of have a little... Okay, guys. So, here we got two tortilla sticks. So, let's go ahead and give one a try. Give this one here. Let's go. This is so good. That's why I like this. Just come up with some interesting ideas on my own sometimes. So this is a little simple snack. Just 2 ingredients. Chances are you might have these in your pantry already. So hope you guys tried and enjoy. Comment below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do cooking videos or stuff like this. Try to get one out every Saturday, and occasionally I'll pop one in there here and there. But I also do some taste test videos, and some sightseeing and adventure videos, and some subscription box videos. So just keep it on up there. Alright guys, you just remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Makes a great snack. Perfect for kids, real easy for them to make.